Class 7. Today I am going to teach you Chapter 3, Our Changing Earth. Students, the position of the continents and the ocean bodies as we see them in the world map have not been the same in the past. Clear? All the continents formed a single continental mass and a mega ocean surrounded the same. The supercontinent was named Pangaea and the mega ocean was called Panthalassa. The continental drift theory, this theory is known as continental drift theory, was first proposed by Alfred Wegener, a German meteorologist. Okay. So now the earth movement. The crust of the earth is broken into a number of large and small plates known as the lithospheric plates. There are 7 major and some minor plates which move extremely slowly. It is called plate tectonics. Clear? Now our next topic, which is volcanoes. A volcano is an opening in the earth crust through which molten magma or lava erupts suddenly. This lava piles up and forms a conical hill or mountain with a funnel-shaped depression opening at the top, which is known as crater. There are 3 types of volcano we can see in the earth's surface according to their eruption. Number 1 is the active volcanoes. These volcanoes which have erupted frequently in the recent past and have the possibility of further eruption at any time are called active volcanoes. Some examples of active volcanoes are Mount Etna in Italy and the Barren Island in Andaman Island. On your screen, you can see the image or diagram of Barren Island, which is situated in the Andaman Island. Next type of volcano is dormant volcanoes. Certain volcanoes which have not erupted for a long period of time are called sleeping or dormant volcanoes. For example, Mount Vesuvius in Italy. On your screen, you can see the example of Mount Vesuvius volcano. Next type of volcano is extinct volcanoes or dead volcanoes. Volcanoes which have not erupted for several thousands of years and do not show any possibility of any eruption in future are termed as extinct or dead volcanoes. For example, Mount Kilimanjaro in East Africa. On your screen, you can see the diagram of Mount Kilimanjaro, which is situated in the East Africa. Our next topic, which is earthquakes. Sudden vibration caused by the movement of lithospheric plates are called earthquakes. These vibrations are called seismic waves which travel over a large area. The point where the earthquake originates inside the earth crust is called focus or hypocenter. This point is known as hypocenter or focus. Clear? And while the point on the earth's surface just above the focus is called epicenter. Clear? Now earthquake vibrations are recorded by an instrument called the seismograph. On your screen, you can see the diagram or image of seismograph and magnitude or intensity of an earthquake measured on the Richter scale. So that's it for today. Next day I will teach you degradation and aggradation. Thank you.